Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Welcome to this easy guide on making delicious shrimp broth. We will begin by gathering our essential ingredients. The most important components are the shrimp shells, heads, and tails, which provide incredible depth of flavor. You will also need aromatic vegetables such as 1 medium onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Remember to use plain cold water as your base, not a pre-made stock, to ensure the purest shrimp essence. This simple preparation sets the stage for a truly flavorful broth. Next, we will build the foundational flavors of our broth. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your shrimp shells and sauté them for about 5 minutes until they turn pink and become wonderfully fragrant. Then, incorporate your chopped onions, carrots, and celery, cooking them for another 5 to 7 minutes until softened. Finally, deglaze the pot with 1/2 cup of dry white wine or water, scraping up any brown bits from the bottom. Now it is time to infuse all those wonderful flavors. Pour 6 to 8 cups of cold water over your sautéed ingredients, ensuring everything is submerged. Add 1 bay leaf, about 10 whole black peppercorns, and a small sprig of fresh parsley for additional aromatic notes. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Allow it to simmer gently for 20 to 30 minutes. Avoid a vigorous boil, as this can make the broth cloudy and less flavorful. Our flavorful shrimp broth is almost ready. Carefully strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl or container. Gently press on the solids with the back of a spoon to extract every last drop of liquid gold. Discard all the spent shells and vegetables, as their flavor has been fully extracted. You can store your fresh shrimp broth in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, or freeze it in airtight containers for several months of future use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.